Wow, ancient wars, tunnels being dug under the ocean by mythical little people. You do realize that the island of Savaii is located across the ocean west of here, approximately 60 miles. So, the existence of tunnels under the land is false, right? Well, that's where the adventure keeps getting bigger because I believe my family and I have uncovered actual physical evidence that these tunnels exist. The day is January 5th, 2007. About 8 months ago, my grandmother was said to have fallen into a hole that caved in near my uncle's house. My uncle had the hole reburied, but at my request he allowed me to reopen the hole and visually document it. So I did just that using the help of my family once again.
Yeah, like kai sami mare haru nga I de kura so de roi de mokingol de korale loko pa de kemi o kilo ya. Eu va malvado fu le afo. Ba mau ko le me haru nga de loi de siku mole siku.
Ma venga moto.
Ole bua ko nga ke ya o pa uralo le me ole. Para kuero kinga lu pa wele la lo le me nga ai.
Okay, we were unable to uncover the entire hole and make it to the tunnels, but we did get down approximately 8 feet. We didn't have the proper digging tools, so I called it quits, and then we reburied the hole again. After the dig, my uncle and I sat down for a discussion about our finds. He filled me in on everything he knew about the land named Totoe of Amanave, the tunnels that ran underground, and the little people believed to have built it. This is a documented recording of that discussion.
Mai loain pokoi I le fumolo mako ka solaro me ila anga ye lua e kasi kai le sifal e Malaysia ngale la loi na la ko wan falo
Me ko poi.
e fe me o ka le pu la ki ya o le vai ese si e fe me ka mai nga mo pi ka mai visi ko ngi ku por a ka una no falo mo pisai Awa foi nga. Masanya nga o e mako. Yo kai fa uri e vai. Yo ia ila lo ala ko ni que vai so ai so o ia ila no mai. Per foi nga ila lo ida no profile. Yo o ia ila lo kai fa o no confia wa nge o mai ngo nge pe no ka fa nga lai. Lai nga e vai wa nge o ma fa pena foi ni ila lo. Ya ai la so nga. Nga ele so foi ba ko nga rua ila. Aru le no nga fa nga uri a foi. Ai se sei la nga. Kai fa nga ye ya. Wala me ya fa ye ni kai fa nga nga la nga. Sa won kai fa mo mai la. Nga la nga ru ila no.
Oi.
Nga le so fa nga ma ko nga ka ko. Salo por nge ya ya pe ma su koru ka usanga ke binale re ke mira fe se la fico por fico fo habla la lo de aro mai ko lo e mai nga sa wi fa mai ke de sa va di la lo de aro nga por me fa ka me le uno ko ni ma u le bianga pa pe ma le lu fu Lo fuku mo lunga pe ma ko fuku lo kele a va papa. Nga mo lu ya lo lalo. A ku sa fa mai. Sa va di lalo de nga la ya. Fi sa va di ai.
La le mi nga ya kemi.
Ya su ma de pere ya pe fa fuku mo lunga. Wala su ko su fa ka sa.
Can it be Then near this freshwater stream lies the exit to an ancient tunnel connecting the village of Amanave to the island of Savai'i located across the ocean. What about the unknown human remains my family and I uncovered by the stream? The questions keep growing. Eventually, my uncle would go on to show me the tunnel exit he sealed off, the same opening his adoptive brother Talitonu explored through. As proof of his story, he pointed out the white sand which continued to flow out from under the tunnel seal. Later on, he also reveals that a while back, he uncovered an odd triangular-shaped grinding stone near the area. Currently, my family has been constructing a cement wall over the seal to keep the water from eroding the land our houses are built on. It just might be that more of the answers we seek lie not only in the ground, but far, far across the ocean on another island to the west. But welcome back for the final time. The story of Si'u Savai'i and the Totoe of Amanave does not end here. We need to find out more about the remains we uncovered earlier, more into the tunnels and the war in Savai'i. Currently, I'm seeking the aid of professionals in the archaeological field to help me piece together the factual parts of this story. I also seek your aid, so if you have any information pertaining to this story, please contact me. The information is provided on your screen. But other than that, there's so much to do and so little time, so I better get back to work. I'll see you next time on the next episodes of Toe Manatu. But till then, let's continue to rediscover the lost histories of our ancestors.
Oh, Toe Manatu, yeah. Oh, Toe Manatu.